Direct parang I'm not sure pero I feel like hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. It feels like parang may sama ka na loob.
Ang maganda kasi, alam mo itong mundo natin, mas gaganda kung lahat ng tao marunong mag-sorry.
Parang hindi ko naman deserve to be out there, to be heard.
You give way to each other. Mutual respect. Importante yun sa partnership eh. Kasi
looking back lang din, parang there's a lot of times that I doubted myself. Na sinasabi ko, may isang tao lang magtiwala. I kept repeating that question in my mind. May isang tao lang magtiwala.
Na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano, parehong talentado.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Life Over Whiskey podcast, where we share valuable life lessons and stories you can learn from over a glass of whiskey. My name is Brian.
And I'm Gerald.
And this is officially the season ender, Direk.
Ayan na nga.
Of season 4. Grabe! 4 seasons, Direk.
Kaya nga eh.
Who would have thought?
Naalala mo, Bri, it started with the one phone call.
And that phone call actually...
Kailan alala mo yung date?
That day, I think that was around May eh.
May of 2022.
May of 2022.
Okay.
That's the time na nag-phone call si Direk. Actually, baka pwede natin iparinig yung a little bit of the phone call.
Sige.
Anyway, I was just curious, no? Kasi parang may naisip ako.
Ano yan?
Iba, I mean, napagkwentuhan natin one time that we both love whiskey. And naisip ko rin na we enjoy whiskey with friends. Would you want to start a podcast? Kasi nakita ko nagpa-podcast ka eh.
Oo, medyo hindi ako consistent eh. Pero I do. Create podcast naman.
So why don't we start a podcast? Technically, ang gagawin natin is basically all about life. But syempre, also to promote our business. But at the end of the day, yung kapupulutan ng aral.
Mukhang maganda yan, Direk ah. Ano bang pangalan ng podcast na yan?
I was thinking of Life Over Whiskey. Life Over Whiskey. Life Over Whiskey. Life Over Whiskey.
Life Over Whiskey.
The host of this event or the host of Life Over Whiskey, Gerald and Brian.
But at that point, parang sabi ko, it's a good idea. You planted that seed na Life Over Whiskey was the concept na naisip ni Direk. Sabi ko, that's a unique concept. Immediately after that, dami ko nang nasulat na potential intro or script spiels for the podcast.
Yes.
Kung ano narinig niya ever since na sinasabi ko, yun literally yung sinabi ko sa akin, Direk, ito. Tapos ang dami naming iterations. Yeah. And there's a lot of things that has happened already. We started the podcast shooting ng May. Pero, naalala mo, parang busy kasi tayo eh.
Yeah.
Busy kami sa negosyo.
Production.
Sa production.
Yeah.
We were only able to release an episode September of 2022.
Correct. And then the rest is history.
The rest is history.
Diba?
Pero naalala mo, 3 months after that.
Correct.
Sumabog.
Dumabog na. Tama.
Ano for you, how did it feel like? Kasi naalala ko yun very vividly na I was outside with friends. Tapos sabi ko, parang may bug si TikTok. TikTok kasi kami unang pumutok to. Parang may bug si TikTok. Yung pagbukas mo, di ba, lalabas yung ilan nag-like, ilan nag-follow, ganyan. Ano ba to? Ganyan. Tapos, it suddenly sank. The realization suddenly sank to me na, oh shit. One of the videos namin ay nag-viral. Tinawag agad kita, alam mo yun?
Yeah, I remember that. Actually, siya, Bray, surreal. Surreal siya. Kasi, I remember nung in-start natin Life Over Whiskey, pinag-uusapan natin lagi, gawin natin Life Over Whiskey. Kailangan, to promote our business, but most importantly, kapupulutan ng aral. So let's face it, I mean, maraming content creators. But, iba-iba ng content ng mga tao.
Yes.
Diba? We feel na we're giving value. It's because yung topics natin are usually yung our own experiences.
Yes.
'Di ba? And ang ganda lang kasi sa 1 year and a half na ba tayo? Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years.
Almost 2 years, 'di ba? Yung growth natin, sobrang, alam mo yan, grateful. Grateful tayo sa universe dahil sa mga brands na nag-support sa atin,
Exactly.
sa mga taong naniwala sa atin, nag-click, nag-view ng mga videos namin.
Sino ba yung mga yan? Ito mga nanonood dito sa atin ngayon. Maraming salamat for your support. It wouldn't be here if not for you guys.
Yeah.
I know, hindi pa naman ganun kalaki. Hindi pa naman ganun kadami. Pero for us, we're just doing the thing that we love doing.
Yeah.
We're people who, in the past, were just in the background. Direct. We're just in the background. We're just producing this kind of content and videos and TV ads, commercials for other people. And lo and behold,
Yeah.
tayo na ngayon nasa spotlight.
Correct. Ano rin feeling ko everything happens for a reason, Bri.
Yeah.
Kasi even us, we just met. Diba? Parang
Nirefer lang ako sa isang project.
Oo. Para lang maalala lang nila. Although sinabi natin to nung nag-launch kami sa Whiskey Park, it's just one shoot na ni-refer siya sa akin ng good friend namin si Leo. And then from there, nag-click kami after 8 shoots. Alam mo yan, for some reason, biglang nag-gel lang
Yes.
Nag-gel na lang. Tapos, ako, I wouldn't say na life over whiskey is Gerald. Hindi ko sasabihin ganon. Hindi ko rin sasabihin na life over whiskey is Brian. It's the both of us.
Yeah.
Kasi ang maganda lang rin sa partnership natin, yung effort natin pareho. Yung gigil natin, yung grit natin pareho. At saka, we align. Alam mo yun?
I think that's important. I mean, when you're deciding whatever ventures or things that you're going into, talagang kailangan may alignment And usually, it took us like 4 times na meeting na parang kakapaan pa
Correct.
And yun talaga it takes some time for you to get to know a person. Pero there are hints. There are signs na parang pwedeng may gawin kami together. Parang ganun,
yeah.
I can remember na may mga, di ba, nagbe-breaks tayo niyan sa shoot, sa production. So I remember the time na lumabas tayo na parang, ewan ko, for some reason, yung conversation hindi na about the project. So I think that was the moment din na inisip mo na, may substance yung tao.
Correct. Yes.
May substance yung tao na to.
Tama, naalala mo pa yung kwento. Yeah.
Tapos, yun din yung moment na parang, okay, like, all I know is like, itong director na to. Itong director na to, na nakatrabaho ko, pagdating sa production, makikita mo siya on the back end. Pucha, parang parang kailangan talaga. Everything is seamless in a way na gusto mo kasi to produce the best output
Yeah.
Diba? So, siyempre, kapag may ganito, ganyan, worried ka, diba? Tapos ako, we should appreciate na parang, Bri, okay, kamusta naman dyan? Okay naman audio? Gagano siya sa akin.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Pero that was a parang pivotal moment of before we came into bringing together in the podcast.
Pero Brian, galing lang. Kasi hindi lang life over whiskey na buo.
May baby na po. Ay,
hindi. I mean, nagkaroon din tayo ng pod track.
Nga
diba, it was a vision. It was a vision.
You know how there's a lot of people na parang may mga visions tapos it just suddenly happened. At yun nga rin, pod track
Diba, parang life over whiskey, tapos pod track. Nangyari yun in a span of 1.5 to 2 years. Diba? Parang, for me, I find it a little bit quick in a good way. Alam mo yun? Kasi we're all putting efforts. So, and also grateful ako kasi I was able to find a partner na yun nga, same energy.
Huwag mo paiyak
Hindi yung
season ender na. Iyakin mo na naman ako
Hindi. Abangan nila yung season 5
yung season.
Diba?
Abangan nila. Pero mamaya natin na yung season 5. Sige, to finding a partner, you were saying.
Yeah, yung partner na same kayo ng vision. You give way to each other. Mutual respect. Importante yun sa partnership Kasi kung pareho kayo na gusto nyo, pareho kayo, hindi, ito tama, wala magbibigayan, it will not flourish.
Yeah. I think it's really being able to recognize din na, we're not perfect.
Yeah.
Right? There are times na nag-aaway din kami ni Direk.
Ako
Hindi lang halata.
Hindi lang halata kasi social media to.
Social media to. Pero, we're human beings and it's
Yeah.
bound to happen. But I think that the important thing here na what I appreciate in this situation, this partnership sa podcast na to is that even though we fuck up sometimes, we acknowledge and recognize na yung pagkakamali namin eh.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that a lot of times na pag ako yung nagkakamali talaga, I reach out and sabi ko, Direk, parang I'm not sure pero I feel like hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. It feels like parang may sama ka na loob.
Mm-hmm.
Checking in lang sa'yo. Baka there are things na may nagawa ako, ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
So, I think recently Pero alam mo yun, it's being able to recognize.
Wala naman pala. Pareho lang kaming hindi kasi chat. Alam mo yun?
Pero yun it's being able to really recognize sometimes the patterns na maybe not beneficial for a partnership. Kasi sometimes, kung tayo lang mag-isa, okay lang. Pero if there's another person na technically I'm also responsible for, hindi pwede yung basta-basta na lang or bara-bara na lang.
Yeah.
Diba? We have to also consider the other party.
Tsaka alam mo, Bray, ang maganda kasi, alam mo itong mundo natin, mas gaganda kung lahat ng tao marunong mag-sorry. Forgiveness. At saka hindi, yung magsusorry ka. Kasi lalo na with men, sometimes, ako, admittedly, medyo ang sorry mabigat sa akin. Alam mo, parang...
Bakit?
I don't know. Parang
do you think that in the past,
pride,
prideful ka in the past?
Ego, pride. Pero, well, I'm 40 years old, no?
Ay, parang 39 lang.
Parang 39 lang. Pero, ang mundo, mas gaganda kung ang tao marunong mag-sorry. Why? Kasi, nagkakaintindihan kayo. It's not about, parang mas alpha sa'yo kung yung nag-sorry yung isang tao, mas less alpha siya. No, it's not like that. It's about mutual respect and coexisting.
Coexistence.
Yun eh. So, I guess yun yung naging secret din sa partnership namin na we both respect one another and nandun din yung part nga pareho kaming masipag, pareho kaming gigil. So,
and we just really love what we're doing.
Yes, correct.
Here in the podcast, parang nag-uusap lang, gukwentuhan lang. At ang maganda na ang dami natin na guest where, the conversations are really malaman, deep, has substance and value talaga na it's the process of trying to discover the other person, the guest.
Correct.
So, kasi hindi kami masyado nag-research honestly sa guest.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Parang parang siyang gift na bubuksan mo unti-unti.
Yeah.
Hindi mo alam kung nasa loob nun eh. So, parang gano'n yung gusto namin lagi na approach. Kaya naman, in the podcast art namin is real stories, diba? Real people.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Ako rin, Bray, gusto ko lang rin, to thank our viewers, ang ating Low Barkada. Salamat sa support nyo sa amin dalawa. Yes, sir!
Mga kapogs natin dyan.
And gusto ko rin pasalamat doon sa mga nagtiwala sa amin, like sponsors namin through the years. Yeah, years or 1 year.
Mag-ES pa lang kasi magtutuwa pa lang.
No? So, sabihin na natin 2 years na. So, years. 2 years. Years. And sobrang grateful kami sa inyo. Kasi wala kaming dito ngayon. Malayo na pero malayo pa. Diba? Tama ba yun? Yun ba yung tamang term doon? Diba? Parang
malayo pa pero malayo na.
Ayan, yan. Yun yung tamang Kasi parang kahit papano, marami na rin naniwala sa atin, which is nakaka-flatter.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
So, yun. So, with the sponsors and our Low Barkada, maraming salamat sa inyo.
At we can't wait for more of this the next season, no?
Ano ba yung marami tayong pasabog na naman diba?
Pero sorry, bago tayo mag-end, no? Sobrang spontaneous kami dito sa podcast talaga. If you look back at the episodes natin, ang dami natin pinuntahan na place. There are a lot of people na, ibang bansa na rin tayo. Diba? So, parang hindi kami mapirme.
Oo nga, no, hindi natin sinasabi sa kanila nga pala, baka magtaka sila, bakit may solo-solo tayong dalawa.
Kasi
diba?
nag-travel po kami. I visited...
Baka akala nila kung anong reason, ba't may solo-solo tayo.
I visited my fiancé. Basically, asawa ko. I treat her as asawa already. Sa Japan. And basically, kung may mga interesting stories na nandoon, I interviewed them. Si Direk naman,
roadshow kami.
Roadshows for business sa US and Canada.
Yes.
Area. So, yun yung reason bakit parang sabi namin, sige, why not na meron tayong international interview, di ba?
Galing.
And grabe, parang we're just open to explore ano ba yung mga possibilities for podcast. And honestly, direct, sobrang excited ako kasi I feel like season 5 will be bigger and better. In a sense na dahil mas marami na nagtitiwala, mas kaya na natin i-level up yung production.
Syempre.
Kasi yung parang syempre we're just making do with what we have.
Yeah.
What more if sakaling a lot of people like you who's listening and watching right now continuously supports and listens to our podcast.
Diba? Paramihin nyo naman yung YouTube namin. Facebook at TikTok kami malakas eh.
Check us out on YouTube. Yeah, and
Spotify, palakasin nyo rin.
Spotify, by the way, Spotify namin as of today, as for this recording is June 12. June 12, we already reaching 5,000 followers over Spotify.
But sa Facebook, ano tayo? 117 na ba?
117
117,000 sa Facebook.
Yes.
Now, sa
TikTok is 200,000
wow!
followers.
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Salamat.
So, over 300,000 followers.
Over 300,000 followers.
Wow, galing.
As of the moment, as of counting today, June 12, who knows? Maybe when we revisit after season 5, baka maybe double na. Tingin mo ba, like, medyo parang declaration lang, no? Kailan natin ma-achieve yung sa YouTube na 100,000 subscribers?
Okay.
Who knows? Parang gusto ko lang tayo. I mean, nakikinig sila sa atin.
Yeah.
Pero sige, ano mong pangarap mo na maybe milestone natin?
Well, I mean, I don't know if this is too ambitious, but ako, sana, maybe early next year, 100,000 sa YouTube, di ba?
Yeah.
I mean,
I would love to think na with the pattern, usually kasi may waves naman talaga of viewership, but I feel like feasible naman mga Q1 or Q2 next year talaga.
Yeah.
But again, we're not really minding the viewership. Honestly, minsan, nag-viral yun? Okay. We're just happy of being able to share these kinds of stories with you, mga kalobarkada natin.
And also, kung may sa mga future episodes namin, kung may mga requests kayo na guest or meron kayong request na topic na gusto nyong itakal namin, mag-email lang kayo at lifeoverwhiskey@gmail.com.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah.
Or comment na kayo. We'll probably see it naman.
Yes.
And with that.
Yeah. Pero Bri, bago mo lang tapusin,
no.
isa lang. Ano natutunan mo dun sa almost 2 years natin na mag-partner? Ano yung tingin mong mapapabao mo na learning sa kanila?
I mean, I've been doing honestly content since 2017. Never really had the structure. I was having a dilemma. Why do it? Kasi baka wala namang makinig. Sorry, what? Looking back lang din, parang there's a lot of times that I doubted myself na sinasabi ko, may isang tao lang magtiwala. I kept repeating that question in my mind. Na may isang tao lang magtiwala. So, hindi ako prepared to.
Kaya lang ngayon, 300,000+ na nagtitiwala sa'yo.
Although I'm thankful for the people who's watching. I mean, people like you makes it fucking worth the while. Yeah. It took some time para ma-shed off ko yung parang feeling of unworthiness and
Yes.
deservability. Parang hindi ko naman deserve to be out there, to be heard. Those kind of conversations usually comes into mind. It's borderline parang ano tawag doon? Yung imposter syndrome. It's borderline imposter syndrome. But I stick to it long enough and hard enough. And look where we are right now.
Yeah.
And maybe if you're just like me in the past, yung ako in the past, kung ikaw ay tao na parang feeling mo wala namang makikinig sa'yo, do you really have a message worthy of sharing? Why not? Kasi we all are unique beings, beautifully made creation of God. So kung ano man ang gusto mo ilabas sa mundo, do so. Kasi that's you. Wala namang ibang tao na kaparehas mo.
Yeah.
I guess, honestly, I did not expect na I get emotional sa ending ng episode na to. My take talaga dito is, people see the output na what we've done. Imagine 3 months when we started this, pumutok agad yung episode. Pero it took me and for you, the skill set na we've built to bring into this.
Of experience.
Yes. We brought years of experience into this. Na in hindsight, when connecting the dots looking backwards, that helped us get to where we are today.
Galing.
Pero ikaw ba, Direk? Ano bang takeaway mo sa 4 seasons of basically the journey of Life Over Whiskey so far?
Well, ako ang takeaway ko talaga, siguro, I need to remind myself all the time na consistency is the key. Siyempre, there are times we're just humans. Alam mo yun na hindi naman lagi 100% ka eh. There are days na 40% ka, 50%, 60%. So, parang if you put yourself out there, kahit 60% lang ang kaya mong ibigay, I'm sure meron kang aanihin doon sa mga tinanim mo. Kasi parang, minsan ako admittedly, even if mataas ang grit ko, dumarating din minsan yung parang
sumuko
ka, napapagod ka, but then biglang may darating na good news. Alam mo yung ganun? So,
parang di ka talaga, kumbaga, parang may mga blessings sa biglang dumarating. You're on the brink of giving up.
Yes. And ang natutunan ko aside dun sa consistency, ang isa pang natutunan ko talagang napakaganda ng mutual respect. Kasi pag may mutual respect ka sa partner mo, pareho kayong, yung iisa lang kayo ng goal eh. So kung magpapataasan kayo ng ihi or alam mo yon, hindi kayo magiging honest with each other, magkakaroon kayo ng vested interest, nothing's gonna happen. So ako for me, transparency, number 2. And siguro number 3, keep on dreaming. Lalo na ikaw, nanonood ngayon ng episode namin, kung nafe-feel mo na hindi ka worthy, kung nafe-feel mo na yung boses mo hindi dapat nahiya kang marinig ng ibang tao, sa tingin ko it's about time na ilabas mo na yung sarili mo. Kasi kung hanggang ngayon, iniisip mo mag-content, hindi ka pa nagko-content, one way or another, malilipasan ka na ng panahon.
Ang laging tanong na lang dyan is, are you willing to stick to it long enough and hard enough
Correct.
to find out?
In reality, Brian, no? I mean, bonus, sige. I mean, I'm not being hypocrite, ha? Okay, we have followers. Pero ako, okay lang na hindi ganun kadami followers as long as may mga nabibigyan tayong value ng mga tao. Sample, di ba, may mga iba, hindi na kami magkukwento in detail, ha? Pero may mga tao kaming natutulungan na nag-i-email sa amin or mga nakaka-encounter namin na, uy bro, napakinggan ko yung episode. Ang dami namin natutunan sa inyo ni Brian. Alam mo, yun palang nakakakilig na yun eh. Yung feeling na parang, wow, we made a difference. Di ba?
Yes.
Di ba? Kumbaga parang, in our small way, may legacy na rin tayo.
Yeah.
Diba?
Like, at the end of the day, that for us, I would like to think na it's more than enough sa lahat ng mga sakripisyo.
Yeah.
Diba? Lahat ng mga oras at talent effort na ginugol natin in this podcast.
So, Bri, So ito tatapusin na namin pero salamat din, papasalamat tayo sa kay Charles and James kasi si Charles and James ang naniwala sa atin.
Pinakauna Charles and James.
Galing, isa sa major sponsor natin na talagang diba? And Shure Microphone, maraming salamat.
The recent partner natin, Shure Microphones. Thank you so much.
And Bryce, sino ba yung mga nagpadala rin sa atin like sila Good Mafia, sila Don Benito, Lumpianity, Gentleman's Drink Manila. Sino pa ba yung mga ibang natin? Si Baguio Balm.
Yes, Baguio Balm.
Oo, Baguio Balm. So, yun sa mga iba namin di na-mention, pasensya na, but technically lahat kayo, nakatulong kayo kung nasan kami ngayon.
Thank you so much. And with that, Direk, it's time to end the season. Cue the sad music. Another season has passed. We hope that you've learned a lot throughout the past episode, throughout the past season, and we're so excited to bring so much more value to you, ating mga Kalobarkada. We will see you on the next season.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Wait, since nandyan ka, may bonus ka.
Ano yan?
Bray, i-play natin yung video. Naalala mo yung pinag-usapan natin yung video? Kapag nag-300k followers na tayo, ipi-play natin yung video.
Ano
para
video?
makarelate sila. Yung law of attraction.
Oh.
You remember that video?
Yes. So, playback.
Montage.
Rolling tayo.
Look. Okay.
Ang date ngayon,
today is October 20, 11:11. Ang time.
Yes.
So, ang sabi ko kay Bray, actually, it's not a prediction. I claim that Life Over Whiskey will be very successful. So, Bray, tandaan mo to. Salver, tandaan mo tong day na to, ha? So, if this doesn't happen, balikan nyo ako. What can you say?
Let's find out.
Salver, ano masasabi mo bago ka maging Kong TV?
Bago maging Kong TV si Salver.
Okay.
Tayo sober man o tipsy, aral makukuha mo sa Life Over.